100% win rate, 5 currency pairs, over 100 trades, and not a single loss. Sounds like a scam, right? That's exactly what I thought. So I pulled the data apart trade by trade. Here's what I found. This is an H1 price action indicator. Blue arrows for buy, red arrows for sell. That's it. No cluttered screen. No 5 indicators stacked on top of each other. Just clean entry signals on the 1-hour time frame. I ran it across 7 major pairs. Here are the raw numbers. No cherry picking, no filtering, no straight line backtest fantasy. 5 pairs, 0 losses. But here's where the dream hits a brick wall. Wait, 100% on 5 pairs, but not all 7. What happened to the other 2? USDCHF, 19 trades, 89.5% win rate. Still strong, but it took losses. USDJPY, 12 trades, 83.3% win rate. That's 2 losses out of 12. So the real picture, 5 perfect pairs. 2 very good, but not flawless. Still, an 89.5% and an 83.3% across 7 pairs is insane. Now the question you should be asking, is this a martingale? Because 100% win rates and martingale go together like scams. No martingale, no grid, no doubling down after a loss. Blue arrow, you buy, red arrow, you sell. 1 signal, 1 trade. Simple. If you want to test this indicator yourself, head over to RBot.cc. You can download it, run it on your own demo, and verify every single number I just showed you. No hype, no fake straight line backtests, just pure honest trading logic. So why does a pure price action indicator perform like this on H1? 3 reasons. First, it's running on the 1-hour time frame. That's the sweet spot. Fast enough for solid trade frequency, slow enough to filter out the noise that kills scalpers on M5 and M15. Second, it's price action, no lagging indicators, no RSI divergence that shows up 3 candles too late, no moving average crossovers that get you in after the move is already over. The arrow appears when the price structure itself confirms a shift. Support breaks, resistance flips, the arrow shows up. Third, there's no stop loss or take profit built in. And that's actually by design. The signal tells you when to enter. How you manage the trade, your exits, your risk, that's on you. It's a tool, not a hand-holding system. You decide your own risk tolerance. But here's the thing. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. You know that, I know that. So treat this as a signal tool, not a crystal ball. Total across all 7 pairs. 109 trades, 98% win rate, 3,793 pips. That's not a backtest curve. That's trade-by-trade data. The 5 perfect pairs. They didn't get lucky once. EURUSD had 16 winning trades. USDCAD had 18 peons. USD had 15 poked. That's consistency, not coincidence. And the 2 pairs that did take losses, USDJPY still walked away with plus 784 pips. That's the highest pip count of all 7 pairs, even with 2 losses. So even when it's not perfect, it's still profitable. I don't want you to be the one losing thousands on a maybe. That's why I'm showing you the real numbers, including the losses. 5 pairs at 100%, 2 pairs at 89 and 83%. No martingale, no BS, just blue arrows, red arrows, and price action. If you want to see this running live or download it for yourself, visit RBot.cc. Hit that subscribe button for more honest EA teardowns. Happy trading, stay safe out there.